I'm gonna dump it on her. Girl, I don't send it to everybody, girl. Don't need to.
No, I'm saying like, they're not gonna start listening to that.
You gonna be my baby. Love me crazy. It is messed up, but I don't give a fuck. Along my homegirls here.
I ain't been doing it because I don't want nobody going to my house. That's what I'm saying. I ain't been doing it because I don't want nobody going to my house.
Let's get my cash out. I'm about to say, put your cash out. Okay. Period.
No,
I feel like,
I
y'all so dead. Me and my brother dead. Ooh, that's a little bit of fry. Can I get some ranch? Yeah. Hey. Come on with. Come on with.
What's wrong with it? It's cool enough.
Okay.
It just was feeling weird.
I can't believe this nigga left me for no. Oh. I was turn the bitch up.
Oh, wait. Alright, bye. Good night.
Girl, you cakey, girl. And I'm pulling it. How you supposed to pull it? I'm doing it. Yeah, I don't give a fuck if nobody came, girl. I don't care. Stop asking me that dumbass question. Bitch, I don't give a fuck if the devil didn't want to come. I'm good. I'm eating my food. Smoking hookah. Getting drunk. Like that. Oh, I ain't trying. Oh, shit.
What?
Girl, I'm tripping. You wanna hear it? Thank you. You didn't think I was cooking no damn brunch? If anything, I would hire a chef.
Why the fuck you pulling like that?
They pull a fun, ain't it? They pull a fun, ain't it?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. What? Y'all don't play with me. Me and you. Let me stop. Cause the niggas in here, they gonna beat me up. Oh shit.
Man, I got you in 4K.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, somebody will get this shit.
They should let her try.
That shit, it's feeling so weird.
Okay. I used to love this song.
What?
Oh my god. Oh my god.
They did it wrong.
They did it wrong, man. The people we deal with in this world. Y'all stop. Stop it. ain't pay a motherfucking thing. This my brother, my real brother in real life. Fuck, bitch. Don't play with me. And I ain't gotta pay no nigga to come nowhere. They come.
Oh, they said you paid me to come.
Girl, that's why I paid you to come. The fuck? We ain't filming no show. Why the fuck I'm gonna pay you to come? You come. If I was gonna pay some bitches, they better be here in this motherfucker. We'll be in a motherfucking section right now. Bitch, please. I wish I did pay everybody to come. Hey, pull the car. Pull it. It's good. I like the flavor.
It's strong.
That shit full.
Hey, man, say come on.
I was gonna get that, but I was like, I don't know.
What it is?
You get some?
I'm like the seafood.
Oh.
What it is,
I
friend?
got some.
Oh, probably.
Oh, that looks so good.
That shit looks so good. Oh my god.
I don't want to waste them.
Oh, eat it. Oh, that shit looks so good.
It look good, don't it?
Not bad.
Oh, girl. I
Why
stuck a
you get
nigga.
no seafood?
I ain't want none of this shit. I ain't gonna pay for no
Why you
seafood.
get no seafood? Oh, you got family.
If a nigga ain't paying for my seafood, I ain't getting that shit. Is it hot in here? Girl got me feeling good, girl. Where you at? Bitch, I don't know where I'm at. I might drive my car to CVS.
Yeah, nah.
Bitch, they gonna be like, where you at? In the CVS. Come pick me up. It ain't my birthday. Why you make it so complicated? Why you make it so complicated? Oh, you could be lame. Speaking of art, why she blocked me?
Why she blocked you?
How mad?
I'm about to actually style her. She about to call me at 6 o'clock. I'm gonna tell her I'm watching.
Nah, I'm trying to do a motherfucking thing.
What you do to her?
I ain't do shit. I know why she blocked me though. I know why the bitch blocked me. I know. No, for real. I know why she blocked me.
I'm literally about to style.
I know why she blocked me. I'm gonna tell you when I got lie why she blocked me. Yeah, you know why she blocked me too.
When Deja said I know why, I already know it's a fool.
I want to tell that bitch something before she blocked me though. Don't judge me for my opinion. Judge me for my action.
Okay, now it's
You
good.
said she can rap.
Huh?
You said she can rap.
No. It's not my motherfucking birthday. Stop saying it.
Nah, she gonna go on my Instagram and be like, oh, you with that bitch. She gonna block my ass too.
Oh, she ain't like.
Why can't you do that you block?
I don't know. Oh, girl, that bitch shady too. Girl, she shady the fuck out of me. Well, I don't think she shady me, girl. Cause she don't know. She claims she don't know me. What is y'all talking about? Y'all just sitting here just running y'all mouth. I don't know what the fuck y'all talking about. She called me to not block me. What the fuck? Y'all weird.
That's like, why you talking? I see I do talk though. She wanna fuck me that time like that.
She called me to not block me. I still follow me. She can't follow each other. What the fuck is y'all talking about? Y'all weird. You see how people use this? That's a prime example right there. You see?
I be listening to her.
They listened too hard and they just took that and ran with it. Bitch, don't run too far, ho. You come back like a track star. I ain't say shit about my friend. She know I said, Art Murphy blocked me. Y'all so nosy and want to see some meat so bad. Oh, they my part here. You ready to try? Excuse me, little cutie. Oh, it's
Oh, hell no.
I'm looking for some booty. Booty.
Did you tell me?
Oh, shut up.
You said little cutie.
All them hoes blocked me. JT blocked me because she a mad ass hoe. She mad. Uzi beat her ass. What?
I know why Jay blocked you.
Yeah, I know why she blocked me too, because she mad because Uzi beat her ass. I'm mad too. I don't think I told her, I said, run, girl. I said, run.
Girl, it's a hair in my fucking food.
You lying, girl.
No, look.
Are you scared of that? The only thing I told sister, I said, run, girl. And she blocked me. I was trying to protect her. Cause I know he would beat her ass.
Girl, it's a hair in my fucking food.
Oh, girl. I'll get this shit back to them.
Oh, wait, did we do that? Yeah, I did.
So y'all don't do promotion no more?
That's why the page got deleted.
Oh, they delete pages that do promo?
It's a hair in there. Yeah. And I need a... yeah, it was this girl promo we did. They delete this shit. It had to be because of her face.
What she do?
Nothing. I gave her mine.
Nah, Obama didn't block me, bitch. You better not block me. I'm gonna go take my phone back. It got on you. It got on you, friend. That's good.
Oh my god.
I don't know what the fuck y'all confused about.
I knew them hoes was gonna be good. I was just scared.
Y'all weird. I don't know what the fuck y'all talking about. Y'all confusing me now. And I'm the one talking. How the hell y'all confused the motherfucker who talking? They're weird. I'm confused like a motherfucker.
You need a mac and cheese and then a tip, right?
You must be on live, friend.
Yeah, I know.
They keep talking about you had hair on your food. Hair on your food.
They pay attention so hard.
Yeah. No, that was your line. I took out my line.
Oh, for real?
You heard me listen.
Girl, they can hear somebody already outside watch.